Day 176 of building a new mobile game in Unity every day in under 1 hour without internet. Today's game is one of those sliding puzzles where you need to make a specific pattern. I always thought these were pretty cool because there's a lot of different strategies you can use. Technically it wasn't difficult, I already wrote code to make grids and fetch neighbours, so all I needed to do was write code to swap positions. For the shuffling, I repeatedly swap positions with the empty spot. This ensures it's definitely solvable. I also added triple difficulty scaling. First, the amount of time you're showing the full grid decreases with each point. Second, the number of moves in the shuffle increases. And third, slowly the grid size increases. I think this gives a nice gentle start so you can learn the rules before the difficulty ramps up. I also increased the grid size before the number of moves gets too high, so you don't get swamped as soon as the difficulty ramps. I also didn't add a lose condition to this game, so you can keep playing forever if you really wanted to. I'm not sure if I like that, I doubt anyone would brute force a puzzle anyway. Anyways, that's today's game.